I think that gender recognition legislation is important because it gives persons the right to self-identify how they choose to self-identify, and gives them the right to choose their own gender markers with or without surgery. I think that if you look, for example, at cases around the world, for example, recently Uruguay, who allowed persons of trans experience, even without surgery, to self-identify and choose their own gender markers, especially as relates to persons on their passports or even other forms of identification that are used nationally. It will be much easier for trans persons to access services using their pronouns that they're comfortable with, their gender markers that they're comfortable with, and that gives them a sense of respect and dignity that gender recognition legislation would afford.
So gender recognition legislation is so important because it will recognize us as not just citizens but as people that actually exist within our country. It will help us to do business because really essentially what we're asking for is the ability to change our gender markers on our legal documents and to be recognized legally. It will also protect us from forms of discrimination as well, especially for transitioning.